Today I came to our seat frame factory. Friends who know it know that the bracket is an integral part of installing the racing seat to the body. Some friends who don't know can also help you understand through this video. The machine behind me is a fully automatic cutting machine. Laser cutting machine. It mainly cuts raw materials into suitable parts, then proceed to measurement, welding, processing, etc. Let's come and take a look. This is its operating console, which should be a programming. I don't know the details either. This is the part that is being laser cut now. All raw materials will be fully automatically laser cut through this machine, then transport to the next part. The next part is our assembly part. After the raw materials pass through the fully automatic cutting machine, we'll come to the bending machine next to me. It will perform shape bending. After bending, it will be tack welded. Then let's take a look at the thickness of the steel. What I have in my hand is basically 3 毫米 thick steel. The final product may be painted to a thickness higher than 3 毫米. Then after our raw materials are bent, there will be a mold for different models over here. Positioning on these molds. Then the master over there will do the welding. After welding is completed, we will also perform polishing and polishing work. Finally, there is our high temperature baking paint. Then such a special seat bracket for special cars is completed.